Now you're able to see my screen, right? Please acknowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's visible, sir.
Yeah. So let's start from EMP. Okay. So here you can see I'm having this many records, right? So now, for example, I want to order by this user, alphabetical order. Okay. In this case, what I can do, I'm having one class called order by. Okay. The syntax is select star from table name, order by. I can give any column here which will make it in order. Okay. For example, I want email. Okay. So when I'm running it, you can see what will happen. Okay. This one is in alphabetical order, right? For example, it's the same. If I want to write EMP number. Right. So when I'm running it, this one is not in order now, right? So when I'm running it, you can see like it is in order now. Like it's alphabetical order, minimum to maximum. This is called sorting order. Okay. So what if I want to reverse it? Right. So just I need to add DESC. What I need to do? Descending order. Okay. So when I'm running this, you can see now starting one is 7369 and last one is 7934. Right. Order is like minimum to maximum. Okay. So if you want to reverse it, I just add DESC, descending. Right. So when I'm running this query, you can see what happened. It's reversed, not reversed, right? Descending. Okay. So if you want in ascending order, so maximum is top now, small is on ascending. Actually, I can write like this also, but it's optional. You no need to give ascending. Default by default, it will take ascending. If you want to reverse it, you need to use descending. Got it? So what if I want to do two columns in sorting order? These two columns. For example, let's see. Here you are having clerks, right? In clerks, I want alphabetical order. In each the places I want. After this, I need to get the names. First alphabetical order should be shop. Second alphabetical order should be e-name. In this case, I can write two columns also. It will perfectly work. I can write job and comma. I can write email. Right? Now two columns are there. So when I'm running it, you can see the difference. Right? So job is alphabetical order, right? Two analysts are there. In two analysts, this one is alphabetical order. I written descending, that's why it's reversed. If I'm writing, right now, two analysts are there. First one is F, second one is right. This one is in alphabetical order, right? After this, once this is getting sorted, then this one will be in alphabetical order. So like this, I can add multiple columns. I can add each one as descending or ascending. For example, I can write here descending. Jobs I want in descending order and name should be in ascending order. Right? Like this I can write. Any questions?
Sir, whenever we'll place job in the ascending, I mean alphabetical order, the e-name is not coming.
Enum is not coming.
Yes, sir. F is there, S is there. Alphabetical order means A have to come.
That's what I'm saying. First priority is this one. See, in this
Yeah.
four, this one is alphabetical order, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yep. So first is you are sorting job, then you are sorting order. If you are both are if you are doing sorting, then it will get dislinked, right? So in salesman, I want order in this one is an alphabetical order, right? Managers, I want in alphabetical order. Clerks, I want in alphabetical order. Right? First, I am sorting this. In this, I am sorting these values. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Any questions? Now let's take another thing. So there is one very important question in interview. Okay, so this one will be asked in many places, like uh, what is the maximum salary of employee or minimum salary of employee, right? So in this case, salaried employee, like this record I want, for example, select start from EMP where sal order by sal DESC. What will give me? Any clue? What this will give me? Any idea? What this query will give me the result? Quickly.
So our salary will be in descending order, sir.
Very good. So maximum salary person will come in top, right? So after that, the people will low salary will be coming like this, right? So now, what if I want to get the first person? There is one thing called limit, right? When I'm running this limit, when I'm running it, you can see I got what I got, only one, right? So limit will give the result and it will control the number of records to be displayed. Got it? So in this case, what I'm doing, I'm saying like limit one. I want only one record. In this case, what I'm getting, only one record I'm getting. Right? So what if I'm saying two? We'll get two records, right? Got it? If I want five records, then I will get a five records. So limit whatever is the result. Just want few records to be displayed. Then I will use limit keyword. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So next thing is like there is one very important question for interview. They will say like, what is the second highest salaried employee? You heard about it? It's the most common asked question in interview, right? So they will say like, can you get me the details of maximum salaried employee? Second one, not the first one, right? In this case, what you can do is like here, you can say I want to limit the two records, right? Then should be in descending, and I want from second record to first record. Understood? So how it will happen is let me explain you. First, let's run limit two, right? In this case, I'm saying descending. So I will get how many records? I will get two records, right? So now I'm having maximum salary employee, next maximum salary employee. Then you'll say, no, I want to, from like these two, I want a second record. In this case, what will happen is you'll get a 3,000. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
So this one is the most important question in interview. You can remember, like they will say, like I want the maximum second salary employee, right? So reverse also true. They may ask you what is the minimum salary, not minimum, but second minimum salary, right? In this case, what you need to do, you just need to remove this descending, right? In this case, what you will get? You will get second minimum salaried employee. Got it? There are other ways also, but this one is the most simple way where you can explain what's the minimum and maximum salaried employee or second maximum salaried employee. So what limit will do? It will restrict number of records which you are going to display. Whatever is the query, so you can get only first two results, first three results, first four results. You can mention that. Okay. Any questions still here? Any questions, please?
No, sir.
Okay. So now let's move to like class. Okay. Now let me write a query again. Select star from EM. Right. Now we are having all the records. So consider like Smith is there, but I don't remember his spelling. Okay. So normally, most of the things are we forget the spellings. In that case, how we can search, right? So in that case, we are having one thing called like. Instead of equal to, we can use like. Okay. So how we'll write is where name like. Then what we'll do is we'll know the starting of yes, right? We know that it is starting from yes, and we know that he is starting from M, but I am not sure it's I or E, right? So I know that his name is starting from SM. Then I can write modulus, right? I don't know rest of the things. I just want it should be starting from SM, but I don't know what exactly his full name. So in that case, I will use like this. When I'm running this, you can see I got a Smith. Even though I don't know the spelling, with first two characters, I understand that I can able to get the details. This is called like. Right? When I'm using it, for example, I want only the person who is starting with yes, right? So I'm just removing this, I'm placing modulus. Then when I'm writing this query, what will happen? I can get two records, two people with the same starting with yes. Got it? This is called wildcard search, right? So we don't know the complete spelling, but we can able to get the details by just using first letter or last letter. For example, I know that he's having I in his letter, right? So where I don't know, starting or ending or something. Then what I can do is I can place the like this, and I can place the I. In this case, wherever is the I, right? First or last or in between, I will get the details. Right? This all people are having I. Correct? What if I want to know end with, right? So I just want to have a person whose name is end with N. Right? In this case, what I'm doing, I'm just adding modulus in starting, and I'm just making N as last letter. When I'm running it, you can see two people ending with N. Got it?
Sir.
Any questions still here? Any questions, please? No questions?
No, sir.
When we'll use like we'll use when we are not sure, like all the characters are or spelling we are not aware, or we don't know how to spell it. Then we will use just partial of our name, and we can able to search it. Okay. So now let's move to another one. So now right. So now I want to know how many distinct jobs are there, right? So now it is consider it's very few, right? So we can have salesman is there, manager is there, analyst is there. Can anyone tell me how many different types of jobs here? Hello.
Sir,
Can
say
anyone?
again, sir.
6 or
How many?
7 different types, sir.
So why you are not giving exact name or number? Give me exact number. How many distinct types of jobs there? It's little time consuming, right?
Five, sir.
5. So he's saying 6 or 7. So who is
No,
correct?
sir. Five. Five, sir. Clerk, salesman, manager, president, analyst. That's it, sir.
I'm writing like distinct job, right? So I'm writing distinct and job.
5, sir.
You can see the count, right? So what this will do is it will remove the duplicate and it will give me the result which are distinct. Okay, this distinct will help us to remove the duplicates. Okay, so again I'm running. So at least job is fine, right? So when you're seeing salaries, I want to know the distinct salaries, right? It's very difficult to do that, right? So in this case, what I can do, I will just write distinct sal. So it will give me only the unique records, right? No duplicates. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so now let's go back to aggregate functions. Okay, select start from now. Just here, I want to know how many clerks are there, how many managers are there, how many analysts are there. So it's time consuming to search for clerks. How many clerks are there, right? So clerks are 3 clerks, 4 clerks, right? Salesmen are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So like this is very difficult for me to count particular clerks, right? So how we can do by using the query, right? So aggregate functions will help us to do this, right? So how I can do is I will write select, right? I will write count of job, job from EMP. Will write group by job. Okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm writing count. Right? This is aggregate function. And I'm adding for which column I want to group. I want how I group, right? Then I'm saying group by job. So when I'm running this query, you can see the result. How many clerks are there? 4. How many salesmen are there?
Four. Four.
4. So based on job, what I'm doing, I'm counting it. Right? So count of job, comma job from EMP. So Banda Gurtu is like one main thing which you need to remember is apart from aggregate functions, right? Apart from aggregate, whatever you are adding here, you should add it here also. Group. Right? Here, if I'm adding job, I should add job here. If I'm saying here salary, I should say salary. This one also will give me always distinct group by. If I'm doing here, will always give me unique records, right? Then it will be give me the count. Okay, so now I'm running this. You can see like I got count of job and clerk. Okay? So this group 5 function will help us to grouping the column. And now let's go back to same query, previous query. Right? Right? So now another question is like I want to know what is the minimum salary for salesman. Right? What is the minimum salary for clerk? What is the minimum salary? Based on this job, I want to know the minimum salary. Right? So instead of count, if I'm writing minimum, here I am salary. Right? So what will happen is, in this case, for each salesman, right, what is the minimum salary for each salesman? We'll get the details. Right. So for clerks, what is the minimum salary? Right, 800.
800. 800.
So same thing.
150.
So I'm grouping by clerks first, then I am identifying the minimum salary, right? So salesman, I am grouping. I am saying what is the minimum salary for that particular salesman. Manager, I am doing minimum salary. So what if I want maximum salary also, right? So I just write max of salary, right? Now I got both minimum and maximum. No, I want average salary also, right? So I will write, right? Then what I'm doing, minimum salary, maximum salary, average salary for each job. Job means the job role, right? So when I'm running this query, you can see all the details. What is the minimum salary? What is the maximum salary? But you can see for president, minimum and maximum is same. Why? Because he's the only guy who is having this, right? So analyst also minimum and maximum salary is same, right? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I will add questions. Let's try. Okay, so who will try? Let's. So I want to know the difference also. So for example, here 1300 and 800 is there, right? So I want to know this difference. How much is the difference between these two? 500,
500.
right?
500.
I want to know that difference also. How I can do that?
Beside of average salary, DI of sal.
Here,
Difference
what is
DI of
EIF?
DI of in brackets sal.
Hmm.
Comma keeps it after bracket close bracket keep comma after close brackets
After close brackets,
comma.
comma.
That's it, sir. We just have to know
Nothing. Simple calculation, right? So max sal minus
minimum
minus
sal.
sal, right?
Yeah,
So
sir.
you're just doing just your minus it, right? So when you're running it, you can get the details. Got it?
Yeah,
Is it
sir.
correct? Right? So I'm doing one mistake here. Can anyone tell me what I did a mistake here?
Maximum salary, minimum salary minus comma didn't kept, sir, in the syntax.
Very good. What happened because of that?
The
So
job
alias
will be
got
not the jobs will be not rectified.
no. Actually, it become job is become alias. So you can see
Yeah,
that it's
job
saying
is becoming the minimum maximum salary.
yeah. So be careful when you are missing any comma. It will cause very big mistakes. Okay. So when I'm running this, you can get the details. So to where is the brand? So this one, right? So here you are saying what is the minimum salary, what's the maximum salary, average salary, and minimum mag. You can alias it as sal difference. Right? When you're running it, you can see the result. Any questions still here?
No, sir.
Okay. So I want you to practice it more because you will get confused. I will ask a few questions, then we'll move to next. Okay. So
Sir, can you
hmm,
please tell me once again what's the syntax we have to write to get the alphabetical order?
okay. So you tell me. I will type it. Just try. Tell me. I want to get the alphabetical order for name. What I can do?
Select star.
Let's start.
from EMP.
Hmm.
Hereafter I didn't get that.
Order by.
Order by.
Okay. And
Order
column
by.
name. Which column you want, right? So E name, right? So this one by default it will take ascending, right? So if you want to reverse it, what I will do, I will use ES, right? So descending and ascending. Okay. So syntax is select star from EMP or table name, order by column name 1, column name 2. Based on descending or ascending, you need to choose which column you want to ascend or descend. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now let me ask you one question, right? So I want to know average salaries. Okay. So for each department, how I can write a query? Average salary for each department. Anyone? Try it.
Select a distinct from EMP.
Average salary from each department.
Each department. Department means job only, no, sir. They will have count the jobs. This is okay. Department. Department.
Quickly, I need to cover a lot of topics today. Average salary from each department. It's a group by function. I told just now. Select.
Select star.
Star will not come.
Distinct, sir. Count department.
What is aggregate functions? Yesterday class. So the aggregate functions. Remember?
No.
Hmm?
E-
What is hmm? What is aggregate functions? Hmm?
No.
Fast. Count. Sum. Remember, this one is called aggregate functions, right? Min, max, average. Remember this. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please remember this. Aggregate functions are this one, right? So count, sum, min, max, average. This one will give us based on, for example, I want number of records. It's to count. If I want a sum of all the records, I will go with sum. I want minimum, then I will go with minimum. I want maximum, I should go with maximum. If I want to average, I should go with average. These all three will work with mostly numbers, right? So now I'm asking, like, what is the syntax for group by? Group by function syntax is, so select aggregate function, right? Then column name, call one, column name one, and call two, group by from table name group by call to. Whatever I am having here, I need to have it here, or call 2 or call 3 if I'm writing column 3, the same thing should come here. So this is the syntax. So aggregate function, whatever I want to use, I should place it here, and whatever I'm placing here, that should come here, right? So now my question is how I can get average salary from each department. So I want average salary. Average salary is aggregate function. I will write AVG. I want salary, right? So salary from department number. I want to group by department number, right?
Department from EMP
group by
department number.
Exactly. So please remember the syntax. That's very important. Okay. So when I'm running this, I will get department number 20, 30, 40, and I got the average salary from each department. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remember this syntax. Based on this only, you will get. So if I want, for example, department number and job, both, if I'm adding job here, right? So then what I need to add here? Here also I need to add a job. So whatever I am having here, I should be having here also. Okay. Then if I'm removing anything here, right? When I'm running this query, you can see error. What is error also you can see. And what is, can anyone read this? Here, this error.
Error code 1055 expression #3 of select list is not in group by.
So not in group by. So you're trying to group by, but you're adding some additional column which is causing issue. Right? So in this case, what you need to do in both the places, you need to add the same thing. Then you will get exact result. Right? Now you can see department number 20 for clerks, this is the average salary. For department number 30, salesman, this one is the average salary. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see. If I'm saying I just want the details of clerk, I don't want the details of other people. Right? In this case, what you will do? What is the query you need to write?
Select
Mm-hmm.
uh, select star from all.
If you are using group by function, you not use star, right?
Star
Okay.
will look at all this.
I want only clerk's average salary.
Select job equality.
For each department.
Star no sir. Select average salary.
Mm-hmm.
Comma.
Mm-hmm.
Job.
Mm-hmm.
Clerk no sir. In bracket we have to write clerk, sir.
Bracket you have to write clerk. You are not in front of me, otherwise I would have. Why you want alias? Like average sal, from a job, you are here till now, you are okay. Continue. I want only average salary for clerks.
If you place job means all job will come. We have
Right.
clerk means. Shall we give the department numbers are there?
Just think previous classes also. I feel like you are not connecting previous classes and new classes. You are forgetting previous classes.
Yeah, sir.
Just think and try. But I am happy that you are responding. Quickly.
Sir, can we use where class?
Use you wrong or right, right.
Where
Quickly.
job equal to clerk, I have to.
From. Tell me complete query.
No, sir. Shall comma where job equal to clerk from.
Give me the query.
Select average salary, comma. Where job equal to clerk.
Where, what is the syntax for where? What is
Sir?
the syntax where? What is the syntax for where condition? Where class? Select star from emp where, right? Wherever you want, you cannot add where here. The syntax is always should come after table name, right? So why you are adding there in column names itself? Syntax is select call 1, call 2, call 3, right? So here anywhere you are finding where? No, it should be always come after table. So try to follow the syntax. Okay, now tell me. You are saying correct only, but your syntax is wrong.
From EMP, where job equal to clerk.
EMP, where job is equal to clerk. Very good. Then
Group
I can
by
write
group group by job.
Very good. Who is this?
Sharmila.
So now you got right.
Yes,
So
sir.
to play with previous classes and new classes, don't forget previous classes, okay? And don't change the syntax. Whatever you are having, you need to practice at least 1,000 times. You need to write this query, right? So all the possible whatever is coming in your brain, you can try. There might be some issues. Like now, I will tell you another challenge with this, okay? So now you are having the average salaries, right? So this one you can, if you are having column names, you can add where conditions, right? You can add clerk or you can add department number in where condition. That's fine. But what if you want to use this one? For example, I'm saying I want to know the average salary greater than 3,000 jobs, right? So I want to know how many jobs having salary, average salary is greater than 3,000. Right? So how I can write? I cannot use the column name here. Why? Because it's an average salary is not a column, it's aggregate function. In this case, you cannot use where. Okay. So in this case, what you need to use, we are having another thing called having. Okay. So in this case, what I will write here after group by, I will write having average salary greater than or equal to 3,000. But in this case, if you want to use any aggregate functions to be filtered, in that case, you cannot use where conditions. But in columns, if you have normal columns, this one is normal columns, right? This one is not having any calculation. In this case, you can directly write where condition. But when you're using any aggregate functions, right? In that case, what you need to do, you need to go with having condition. You cannot use where condition. Right? So now you are getting the two departments, to an analyst and president will get more than 3,000. Other people will not get it. Right? If you want to know lesser, means I can write just not having. Right? Not having or not having is not working here, but I think it will work with this one. Less than 3,000. In this case, you can get the details of it. Got it? You know the difference of having and where? Got the distance between where and having?
Yes, sir.
Anyone is confused? Where is only for columns, right? So we are having select department number, job, anything we are having, we can go with a where class. If you want to filter, for example, I want only salesman, I want only clerk, I want only department number 20 or 30, I can go with a where condition. But when I want to use some calculated value, sum of or any aggregate functions, I cannot go with a where. For example, I cannot write where average salary greater than 1000, right? So, but I can use having condition to do that. Makes sense, right? Any questions?
No, sir.
If you're not asking question, I will ask questions. Tejaswini, what is the difference between having and where class? Tejaswini, are you there? Are you able to listen me? See, right or wrong, no problem.
Shall I, sir?
No. Tejaswini, Rizwana. See, I want some response like I don't know, sir. That's also
Yes, sir.
fine. What is the difference between having and where class?
Where class is used to find specific records, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Having class is used to group aggregations.
Agree. Very good. You said correct. Just in my definition, what I'm saying is go with column names. If you want to filter, you go with where. If you want to having will be group by functions, aggregate functions. If you want to use, you can go with that. Okay. So how another question? I will go next. What if I want to get the minimum salary from each department? How I can write that? Ashifa, minimum salary from each department. Ashifa,
Yes, sir.
how I can get minimum salary from each department?
Select
Select
minimum salary
minimum salary,
department number
department number,
from
mm-hmm,
EMP
mm-hmm,
group by department number, sir.
very good. Very good. Now I want next question is Raja. So I want only for department number 20. Then what I can do? Raja, Raja, are you there? Sanaullah. So now only from department number 20 I want. Then what I need to do? Minimum salary from department number 20. What I should do?
Minimum salary. Select minimum salary. From EMP. Where department?
From EMP where?
Department.
Department.
Equal to 20.
Equal to 20.
Group by. Department.
Very good. But always try to add the same thing, whatever you are having here to here.
Yes, a little confusion, but
it's not mandatory here, but it's mandatory here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So simple, same question, similar question with Irfan. Irfan is on right. So next, okay. Irfan, what is the which is the department who is having I want to know the department numbers which are having greater than 1,000 as a salary, minimum salary. You want all the department numbers which are having greater than or equal to 1,000 as a salary.
Greater than or equal to.
Yes. Tell me how to write. I want minimum salary should be greater than or equal to 1,000. I want to know the department numbers. Quickly.
Select. Min salary greater than or equal to. No. Exactly.
Syntax is wrong. I will kill you.
Department name.
Department name. Department name is there in table.
No.
Department number.
Number.
From. EMP. Where department number is greater than or equal to.
You don't want department number. How you are getting department number greater than? I want salary, right?
Min salary.
Anyone else want to try?
Min salary.
No, where will not come here.
Group by department, comma, salary.
Department number.
Comma. Semicolon, sir.
Semicolon.
Sir.
Having
minimum salary greater than or equal to 1,000.
Okay, so whenever you are using any aggregate function, you should use having. You cannot use where.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow also I will go with that question. Okay, please get ready. Okay. So I think I thought of covering more, but I'm not getting proper answers. So we'll move it to tomorrow. Okay. So practice till here. I will give the queries also. In recording also, I'm trying to add the queries. Okay. So please practice it and let me know tomorrow I will give you a lot of homework this weekend. Okay, so try to do that. And tomorrow there is no class. Okay, so we'll be having class on Saturday. Inform the same to team.
Yes.
So any questions? Should look very easy, but the problem is if you are not practicing, you will forget it.
Sir, to get the alphabetical. For example, if we have the letter M in our name, we have to identify it like that. Select star from EMP, where E name like, no sir.
Correct. You
Like
name like
percentage symbol.
single quote.
Single.
Okay, write this in single quote, and then you need to add it. For example, if your name is starting with M asterisk, right? If you don't know where the M is coming, you can write modulus M modulus percentage M percentage. Okay, so wherever M is there, all the names will come.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions? So just I will give you few questions. Let's try. Okay. So I want to know the average salary of employee whose department number is equal to 10. Just note down these questions. I want to know the minimum salary of employees whose average salary is
Average salary of employees whose department number is 10. Yes, sir.
I want to know the department number who is having highest salary. So I want to know the difference between minimum salary and maximum salary from each department.
Difference between
Minimum maximum
Mm,
from each department.
Sir,
yes.
can you repeat the question again?
Minimum, I want to know the difference between minimum salary and maximum salary from each department. I want to know highest paid role, job, highest paid job from each department. I want to know highest paid job from each department.
Sir, this question is similar to second question. I want to know department number who has highest salary. This is also the same. I want to know the highest paid job from the
Each
department.
From each department. So it's similar but not the same output.
Yes, sir.
I want to know the count of salaries, distinct salaries, count of distinct salaries. I want to know whose job name ends with man.
Ends with
Man. Job name.
Salesman.
All salesmen should come, right? So it should be, I'm saying ends with man. I want to know the person who joined second in the company. I want to know the person name who joined second in the company. How will you know? Normally, if I am asking this question, then you answer. Who joined second in the company?
Joining date. By seeing joining date.
Exactly. Higher date, right? So based on this, you can identify who joined second. Okay, so you need to write that query. How many homeworks are there?
7.
No?
7.
Okay. So next question is like, I want to know highest salaried on hand person. How will you know that? Any idea?
Didn't get you, sir.
Highest salary on hand person. How will you find out? The salary will be salary plus commission, right? Based on that, you need to. Result always come as a president, but I want to see the query, how you are writing it. Okay. Last question is, what is the minimum salary and maximum salary for clerks? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, if I'm asking someone, they need to answer. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm closing this call. Acknowledge, please. Hello. Am I audible?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm closing this
Yes,
call.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.